Hey there, Speaker Brand students. Just a quick video to let you know another situation that's happening this morning at one of my big events, a paid event that I'll be speaking and training for about 3 hours to deans and chairs and directors. And it's the fact that they're all in that room back there. We've gone through 3 computers, including mine, that I brought as Plan B because I was just supposed to bring a thumb drive. And we cannot get the TVs to work. So there is an AV guy that is running around trying to figure out if there's another computer he can use, or if there is a plug that he needs to purchase. So we're right down to the wire right now, getting ready to start. They're getting anxious. They've had breakfast, and I'm ready to start too. So these things always happen. So my point is to get prepared. I'm not sure what Plan B is going to be, or Plan C or D or E is going to be for me. I am going to put him into a quick activity until we can get the AV guy back. He's not even here. He left to go figure out this problem. So what do you do, right? So I'm going to try to keep him entertained and probably go over 15-20 minutes on the back end, which I got approved by the people that are coordinating this agenda. And all those, we're just trying to keep communication going. And I just want to let you know that there's always a way to work around, and maybe I'll get back on and give you an update as to what happened, because this is not happening right now. Anywho, preparation is key. I mean, do everything that you can possibly do to know Plan A, Plan B, Plan C, and be prepared and try to wing it and run with it and go with the flow and work with the people who are in charge without getting frustrated, and keeping your calmness and just trusting that things are going to work out. Okay? All right. Thanks.